First, get your hair together. I use a wire headband. They're also called dolly bows. Next, we'll clear our skin. Still, my skin seems kind of dull. What is that? Oh my god! Black cats! Black cats! I'm a black cat and you'll never ever defeat me. Now I guess it's time for my secret beauty weapon. Wonderpore, I choose you. Not only it's fun to poke this mask because it's so squishy, but it also comes with a spattle so you don't get your hands messy. But I do anyways because I'm just clumsy like that. Now wait 20 minutes for the mask to dry. That's just the perfect time to watch some Korean drama. When the mask is dry, get a warm, wet towel and wipe off the clay. The result is soft and clear skin like a baby. Luckily, since Korean cosmetics are so advanced, lightening eye rings is a piece of cake. Yum. With this collagen eye patch enriched with vitamins and green tea extract. Wait 15 minutes until your skin has absorbed the collagen essence and the patches are dry. See how my panda eyes disappeared? Foundation-wise, we'll use CC cream. Whereas BB cream covers and tints your skin, CC cream is less dense and reduces discolorations, leaving you with an even tone and a natural glow. Though the cream is white first, it will adjust to your own skin color, making it look like you're not even wearing any makeup. On areas where you need more coverage, apply some concealer over the CC cream. Finish with blotting powder, which is super beneficial for oily and combination skin as it absorbs the oil while leaving your skin hydrated and soft during the day. Also, since the powder is translucent, it works for every skin shade. Since foundation takes away the depth in our face, but not that much that you look like a pancake. Yum, pancake. We'll add some by shading and highlighting. Highlight with cool colors and shade with warm colors. The shimmer gives your skin a natural glow, hiding the use of makeup. Now you have a smaller looking face, but with more dimension. The country where circle lenses were first invented is South Korea. Their popularity spread quickly across Eastern Asia. Natural Korean hair colors are dark brown to black. If you're wearing a wig, make sure its style is classy and sweet. Eyebrows are the most crucial part of this look. They should be thick, soft, and important, as straight as possible. You don't really see that many Korean girls with arched or even mountain-like eyebrows. Fill your eyebrows in by doing small and soft strokes. As the base, apply a light, shimmery pink shadow from your eyelid to brow bone. We'll use two eyeliners, one in pink and the other one is simply black. Start on the outer corner of your eye, drawing a sharp wing. Then extending the line by doing soft strokes as you're nearing the corner of your eye. With the black eyeliner, line along the pink line towards the corner of your eye, but let it be narrow enough for the pink color to peek through. Highlight your tear bags with a white shimmer stick. Then let them really pop by coloring the crease under them. Apply mascara. And now fake eyelashes, which are important for supporting the sleek shape of the eyeliner. When blushing cheeks, use two tones. The first one is the base color, applied on your cheekbones to create a natural-looking transition to the stronger but less intensive used main color. Evenly distribute a drop of liquid concealer on your lips so you can give them a new color with a lip tint. Not only gives the lip tint your lips a better color, but they'll also be so much smoother. Deepen the inner part of your lips and sharpen the outer part with a lip marker, which is basically like a text marker, but instead you can use it on your lips. And with this last step, we're finished! Let's all dance to Korean pop music, drink bubble tea, and just be cute forever. Boo, bye bye boo.